Hi, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Last time we talked about how AI impacts stenography jobs. Today, I'm going to talk about how you have to be a self-motivated and proactive student to learn stenography. Description of my video today, I have a link for registering for the free Zoom Q&A workshop on September 1, 2025, from 8 to 9 a.m. Pacific time. If you are enjoying my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you just go to stenography school thinking you'll pass like other schools, where the instructor gives you everything you need for homework, you won't make it. You have to proactively make up stuff to practice and assign yourself homework outside of school. I'm not talking about the content classes like medical terminology, English grammar, codes, but I'm talking about speed building classes. To pass a speed, you need to practice lots of different material from the universe of words and use both fun practice and targeted practice. I used 5 hours of TV a day after school for fun practice and some magazine articles for targeted practice. Fun practice is when you just practice to something like a TV show or YouTube video that you enjoy and drop whatever you can't get without worrying about going back to type what you missed. This kind of practice is fun because you're enjoying the show, and it's good for building up stamina for sustained mental concentration that is needed for the career. Targeted practice is when you use something like an interesting article and type from sight to stenography. This way you won't miss any words, and when you hesitate, you can practice those spots more. Also, you can do targeted practice by taking a YouTube video and slowing the speed down to your pace and typing what you hear. Then, when you miss something, because it's either too fast or too dense and you dropped it, mark the place with ellipses in real time and go back in post-production and search all those ellipses. Then use your audio sync feature and fill in the blank places that you missed. This will give you targeted practice for hesitations. You can also make a hesitations file and put those up in front of you in the bathroom to look at and do mental steno while you're sitting on the john. There are all kinds of ways to practice. One day, my classmate said about me to another classmate, "Look, Carolyn is mentally typing what we're saying," which was true. I loved stenography so much, I had a habit of practicing even beyond the 5 hours a day to the TV after school. I had the habit of typing what people said to me, and then my husband would say, "Stop typing what I'm saying in your head and listen to me." Later, when I got the offline transcription job, I was basically getting paid for targeted practice. It's actually a good idea to do legal transcription work as a student in stenography school because you're getting paid for targeted practice. Don't do stenography only for the money. It's so much work that you really shouldn't do it if you don't enjoy it. I had a stenography classmate who quit to go be a nurse, which was his true calling, but he felt like men don't do nursing. I said to him he'd be happy doing what his heart tells him to do. And why can't a guy be a nurse? Today, he's thriving in his career, making good money while feeling fulfilled and happy. He made a comment about me when I was a stenography classmate of his. He said, "You're always on the verge of a smile." That's because I loved learning stenography. Every day, practicing 5 hours of TV material felt like fun for 4 years. The first 10 years of work as a cart captioner felt very fun too. Now that I'm at the height of my career, it's a little less challenging in terms of dictionary building, but the wide variety of things I hear daily on the job makes my job very interesting. It's the journey more than the destination that is wonderful. The destination is also great, but the journey is so long that it's much better if you love it all along the way. Okay, so I recommend if you don't love stenography school, that you really assess whether you have what it takes to do the immense amount of work it really will take to get good enough. Especially now that AI has been taking away the easy jobs and leaving only the hard jobs, makes it even tougher to be a stenographer. Okay, next time we will talk about another topic. Oh yeah, also sign up for the free Q&A Zoom video workshop on September 1st, 2025 from 8 to 9 a.m. if you would like to attend. Okay, bye-bye.